Today is April the 23rd, 2026. I'm coming here today in regards to the racketeering, influence, corrupt organization of Lansing, Michigan. I, Jody Mosley, filed a RICO Act against Lansing, Michigan. I didn't know exactly how far it went, but now I'm getting ready to expose all of them. Racketeering RICO Act. Basically, it's Lansing, Michigan's 54A Court Deputy Chief, the UPS stores, the actual Facebook, Google, TikTok, and all these radio stations, as well as lawyers, NAACP, ALCU, Legal Aid, Bar Association. All these agencies are formed against humanity. Basically, they're all being ran by the KKK. Lansing, Michigan has a RICO Act filed against them for the criminal railroading of cases, using organizations to censor content and to inform individuals that they're being sued. The UPS stores, Facebook, TikTok, Google, all of these apps, they're criminal organizations against humanity. They railroading your phones, they discarding your content, and when you filing cases, they try to get rid of your evidence off of your phones, or even railroad your phones to the point where they send you another phone and they basically shut your other phone off. These are criminal acts of the Klansmen of these lands. They have created an organization to hinder the rights of the people here. I, Jody Mosley, have been filing cases against the city of Lansing, Michigan, the 54A courts, the deputy chief, the judges, the criminal judges, who have not only ensnared me, tried to set me up, railroad me, planted documents, and now you got a system that refuses to allow you to get any case in the court. It's Klansmen organized, now using Hispanics, Mexicans to railroad the actual status of court cases and everything. The whole thing is, I have tried for a whole 2 years to get a case in the court, civil case, of which I go to court. I got documents planted on me. I got people setting up cases. I got railroading of the clerk office. I got railroading of the UPS stores. I got railroading of TikTok, Facebook, and Google. All of these apps, Google try to make it seem like they keep downloading stuff to your phones so that your actual storage is over the capacity, so that they can railroad your content and shut your phones down. All of these apps are working together to criminally railroad the content and the actual cases that are being filed in these courts. At the same time, you got UPS. You go to get copies of individual cases and pictures of evidence, and instead of them doing what they supposed to do, they sending your evidence to the Klan, to the criminals that you are suing. These are all criminal organizations formed against humanity. And I don't know how far it's going or how far it's reaching, but I know that they're doing criminal acts all over the world. Anytime you can get a president that's a Klansman too. So These are the organizations that they are hiding and discarding information so that individuals cannot be sued. This is what's going on in America right now. That's your president right there. So don't think for a second this ain't a real case. RICO Act against crimes against humanity. Lansing, Michigan, the 54A courts, these apps, Google, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all these apps that's creating women's solicitation and everything to try to hinder the rights of the individuals filing cases against criminals of Lansing. The setting up of judges, the setting up of the deputy chief director working with the KKK. All of these are criminal acts, and they are railroading any rights of any person suing these people. These are all criminal acts against humanity. Now they're discarding my evidence off of my phones, and they were railroading cases. Far as when I go in for a civil case, I got a judge setting me up, railroading the actual case, trying to change documents, trying to change photos, trying to change information filed against humanity, and discarding the rights of individuals. I'm filing a RICO Act. This is a criminal act, a racketeering, influence, corrupt organization of Lansing, Michigan, working with the KKK to hinder the rights of anybody filing any form of cases against these criminals. Today is April the 23rd, 2026. Let justice find you all. And at the same time, I wanted to be known that not only did I file cases of the actual criminal acts and the actual codes, they have not acknowledged none of the cases, and they keep trying to send women to solicit me. They keep trying to send people to do criminal acts. These are the criminal acts of the KKK of Lansing, Michigan. I'm bringing criminal charges against all of them. This is Jody Mosley. It's April 23rd, 2026. No justice, no peace when you fighting against the KKK. And I don't know how far it goes, but I just heard some stuff about other counties and other states that the Klansmen have taken over and censored the rights of individuals suing. So I'm bringing criminal charges against humanity. The RICO Act, racketeering, influence, corrupt organization of Lansing, Michigan, deputy chief director, the clerk office, UPS stores, Facebook, TikTok, Google, and a whole bunch of other people that are involved in the covering up of cases filed against these people. Let justice find you all. Have a blessed day, people. April 23rd, 2026. Jody Mosley. No justice, no peace.